Hello to everyone. Today is December 28, 2023. Today I make some walk around in my messy place, what I call as my workshop. At outside it's getting dark because it's 4 o'clock p.m. and half hour more. Okay, what we see around here, we can see a couple of machines, lot of mess. Any machine is stable contains regular mess with different kind of items. This is my horizontal borer. The main problem is this bearing failure, and I not yet repaired it. It get messy all around. This is in working condition. Milling machine, some tooling or equipment for this machine. This is to running condition. This corner, no sense to look closer. Only materials, various types. Something is unknown. Maybe someday from this I built a reverse hammer, tool grinder. Oh, rust. What a shame. I need to get oil it a little bit. Model of this machine, and very similar is this one. Today's walk around will be very messy. Ooh, fire. But this is update for last year's days. This is one more machine, one key 62D, built in 1990. Actually, ways is pretty much good condition. It have little bit oxidized surface, but it not get worn pretty much. This is my oldest machine, Bernatsky. It's built in 1930s, approximately. Running. K20, late from USSR, built in 1977. Here is one beautiful workplace with all of toolings for this machine. APC, you know. And one more tool room. I guess these things are called tool rooms. Yes? No? Oh, this is not for this machine. This is for the biggest lathe on that side of the workshop corner. I don't know why it's here. Various items, drills, etc. What else interesting? Here was one lathe, but it's go to another home. It was not mine. Sad topic, Dainichi. So it looks for this day, actually. I collect some cool items right here. Okay. Thank you very much, lads. Happy New Year, happy 2024. Good luck and have a nice day.